Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the best first aid kit for home. Watch till the end to find out our best recommendation from the list. Our list begins with SHBC First Aid Kit. If you are looking for a first aid kit for families, the SHBC kit is ideal. It has 228 advanced medical supplies that you can use to solve emergency incidents in your home. You get extra supplies such as prep pads and alcohol to clean wounds, emergency blankets, ACE wraps, and CPR masks for first aid. The EVA case is waterproof, small, and lightweight, so movement is not a challenge, and you can easily store it anywhere in your home. Protect Life First Aid Kit. If you're looking for a one-stop shop for all your medical supplies, the Protect Life First Aid Kit should be your top pick. It has 200 supplies to cater to small wounds and contusions and is nicely stored in a durable case. This durable hard case is easily stored away without worrying about it getting damaged. The best part about this first aid kit is it comes with a user guide that trains on basic first aid skills and how to administer various medical procedures like CPR and wound dressing. Johnson & Johnson First Aid Kit. The Johnson & Johnson First Aid Kit contains 140 high-quality supplies to aid you during cases of emergency. The hard plastic compact case gives the first aid kit a unique look, assuring you that all medical items are packed securely. The kit also promises quality on a budget, as it is one of the most affordable first aid kits. You are also sure to perform first aid procedures correctly using the user guide that is included in the package. Unfortunately, it misses some items like CPR masks, which might be useful in critical situations, but also contains other items not usually found in first aid kits like anti-itch creams. Which is the best? SHBC First Aid Kit is the best first aid kit for your home since it has enough medical supplies, including extra ones. Its hard EVA case is compact and waterproof, so you don't have to worry about damage. It is best suited for families since it is stocked and user-friendly. Thanks for watching.